Hey friends, WordPress is a great platform to create professional business websites. You can start creating a website that can be your dream website by choosing a perfect WordPress theme. And you don't need any technical knowledge for doing all these things. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can launch your fashion store website. And we are going to use an overview Koka multi-purpose WooCommerce theme for this purpose, and it is well available at themeforest.net through the video description link. The Koka is a premium WordPress theme and it has been developed by Buddha Themes and they are Power Elite author at Envato Market. It is important to watch the complete video when you are planning to choose a WordPress theme. So there are many videos, hundreds of themes has been already overviewed on this channel and there are many plugins. Why it is important to watch the complete video? You need to understand the features, functionalities and the customization options that you are going to use with this theme or any other theme, and before making a purchase decision you should know all these things. So we are going to create a fashion store website using Koka WordPress theme in this video, and I'm ready with this core and fresh installation, and I'm assuming you have already taken a domain and hosting name. If not, please follow the description link, go to the WP Themes website. You can get all the things that you need for your website. And if you have any question, you can directly start a chat with a mentor here on the iCreate program. It is an interactive program where you can get in touch with a mentor to create WordPress websites. Yes, it is free. So let us begin without any further delay. I'm sure you are already a subscriber to this channel, and if you like this video, give this video a hype. That can be helpful for others as well. For me as well, of course. Right? So here is a core and fresh installation, and the website is looking like this with the default WordPress theme. We are going to add new theme Koka, and in the appearance section we can add new theme, upload theme, and choose the installable theme file. I must show you the theme pack. In the theme pack I have the installable theme file which is 49.3 MB, bit large size. The child theme is also included, so we are going to use this koka.zip file for our installation. So choose the file, that is koka.zip, select, click on install now. It may take a while because the theme file size is 3 times bigger than on an average WordPress theme. So on an average I have seen 15 MB is the size for WooCommerce themes, but yes, if it is having a 49 or 50 MB in size, it might be bringing multiple plugins or features with the bundle, and we can check all these things. So theme got installed within seconds. This is the beauty of hosting plan that we are using, and it is always important to use WordPress optimized hosting plan when you are targeting a successful e-commerce website. That hosting plans can be availed at WP Themes. Either you can choose the cPanel based or H panel based. Both you can get at WP Themes hosting tab. Let us go to the theme page just to check the details. What we have. So Koka is here along with the default theme, and I'm using version 1.0.4. So we can simply activate the theme, and upon activation we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins, and I can see there are 13 plugins that we need to install here. Let us check quickly which plugins are here. Contact Form 7 is usually for creating contact forms. Elementor is the page builder that has been used. Koka Plus is an add-on plugin that has been developed by the theme developer. Koka Pro is also here. Koka Shop. So these 3 plugins has been developed by the theme developer itself. So these are of course pre-packed and bringing almost all great features at the website. I can see the TI WooCommerce wishlist is here. Variation swatches for WooCommerce and WTT demo importer for importing the demo content. Further, we have the web design tech Elementor add-on, the WooCommerce itself, and 3 add-on features from YITL. So all 13 plugins are here, and I am going to select all 13, selecting install, clicking on apply. Let us see if it works. It will install all the listed plugins. Since all the plugins are required, so we cannot ignore or skip installing any of these plugins. Okay, great. So I can see all green marks here and all the plugins have been successfully installed and even activation has been completed. So it happened in a single click. So it is important to note we have successfully installed all 13 plugins in a single click and all activation, plugin activation had also been completed. So we don't need to do anything regarding the theme and plugin installation now. We have finished the plugin and the theme installation, and I'm coming back to the dashboard, WooCommerce wishlist. It is not like that. Okay, so I'm here on the dashboard and there is no further alert, and now I can move forward for bringing the demo content, for importing the demo content, and I'll show you all these new navigation what these features are after we complete our demo website. So we have multiple options with the Koka, and there are 5 stunning demos that you can choose for your fashion store website: casual outfits, luxury fashion, branded clothes, the denim brands, and the t-shirt wear. Okay, all great. And I have already shown you some layouts. So these are the layouts. And if you wish to ask any question, we are here at just one click away. Okay, so let us proceed further for importing demo content so that we may finish our demo website and we can discuss all customization options after that. Koka setting is here, appearance and the theme file editor. Where is the demo import? Uh, okay, let me find it out. Okay, so under the tools menu, we have the demo content install option, and I'll go here on the demo content installer, and we can ignore this alerts. It can be done later as well. So we have only one option here. Simply click on install and we can go forward. So it is importing the demo content now, and I can see the demo import process is begin, and it is working like Unyson demo importer, and it works well. So while the demo import process is going on, we can check our target website. So this can be our target website. Yes. And it is all stunning in look and modern in style. So it is presenting the content in a very, very modern way. And if we check the product listing, it is actually good. So hover effect is there. So newsletter options, the hover effect, and the color swatches, the upsell styles. These are the upsell styles. So we have already discussed multiple solutions for upselling for the WooCommerce, upselling solution for WooCommerce. You can watch the specific videos. And if you are anyhow connected to WordPress website, please subscribe this channel. It is definitely going to help you. You can compare themes, plugins, choose themes, and we can discuss a lot about WordPress website through our IK program. So live chat option is here, so don't miss to ask any question that comes in your mind regarding WordPress website. We are here and it is all going to be free. Right, so demo import process is going on and it may take a while because it is going to resize the images. It is connected to developer server. Meanwhile, if you are eager, you can open the media library, but it let the process to be complete and it is going to work fine, I believe. Okay, so total 515 images is to be resized, so it is going to take time, but it is a good process to resize all images because once the images are resized, it may work on the multiple side devices like you if the website is being accessed on the mobile, the tablet. So it works like a crystal images, and the image sizes always matters for loading the website on the devices in proper manner. So let the process to be complete. So the process is going on and it is certainly going to take time. It all depends on your hosting capacity and the internet speed, and even the process is going on. So we have to wait until and the process gets complete and I can check further. So the 4 5 options are here, the layouts and the shop pages that we can choose. Shop listing styles 1 2 3. So if randomly I'm opening some listing styles, we can check it further. So it is all going to be available once we complete our installation. So this is one of the listing styles. This is another one. Wait, and further we have the product pages, accordion. These are the style options that we can use. And yes, so gift card options, internal pages like about us pages, and FAQ page is here, logging page, order tracking page is also here. So you definitely need to configure the order tracking system with your website, but page is here in case if you want to use. So all internal pages are well available, so it is going to help us in launching your our website quickly. And contact us page is also here. So okay, so now I can check it further. Okay, so in few seconds 25 images had been resized. Once the image resizing process gets complete, we can be all can be seen here on the media page. And meanwhile, we have received all the content in the demo import process, and all the pages are here, all the home pages are here. I mean, the demo import process is complete, but yes, we need to complete the media resizing. But yes, meanwhile, we can check our website, and I just open the website as well. It is now here, and all the layouts, all the pages I have received. Only images is to be resized, and after resizing the images, the images will be visible in clear format. So it is, some images are already resized, so it can be seen. Ultimately, we have to use our own images, but yes, we received all the content. Like if we can open the other home pages, it is like here. So homepage 2 is here, and it is working fine. Okay, great. So we have completed the installation of Koka WordPress theme. That can be a very good choice for the fashion store website. Now I can recommend the theme since the installation is going fine, and all the technicalities are also very good. So you can go with this theme. However, you have choices to choose and compare other themes on this channel itself. So explore other themes as well. Choose the best suitable theme for your website project. This Koka is particularly multi-purpose WooCommerce theme that can be helpful for launching multiple websites for fashion stores. Now I'm taking you to the backend again, and I'll show you what options we have received in form of customization, and also we can complete the uh, discussion, and we'll continue reviewing upcoming themes as well. Okay, so great, and the dashboard is here. So I'll show you only the new navigation, new things. I mean, in the addition to default WordPress things. For customization options, what we have now, as we can see in the header area, we have control of all headers. So we can edit the header content using the Elementor page builder. Like if we are choosing the very first layout, this is the first layout. So we can simply track which header is being used, like uh, a header 1, slider 3 had been used, and footer 1 had been used. So we can edit the content accordingly, which is required for our pages, right? And Elementor is a very easy to use page builder, as you know. So similarly, we have footer elements, the mega menus that has been used on the website. So you can edit the mega menu part using edit with Elementor option. So I'll just show you the mega menu. It can be a bit different. However, uh, editing with Elementor is very simple. You can easily edit the content. Okay, so this is mega menu, and we can go for editing the content, right? This is like thing. So go to the respective section that you want to edit, and you'll be able to access all the content, right? Further, we have the get plugins, some new things. And it is coming from a new plugin. So we have options to customize the swatches. In fact, this is a swatch uh, variation swatches feature on the website. So we can use and customize the things that is coming for swatches settings. So further we have settings, and in the products area you can of course upload the your products that you are willing to sell online. So you can take the reference of existing products. Either you can delete all the existing ones, or you can override data with your own content or your product details, right? So it is totally up to you how you want to proceed, but yes, it is well available. uh, Wishlist again is a plugin for adding feature on the WooCommerce, and you can configure the wishlist by running a setup wizard, and by default all the basic settings are here, so you can go for this. uh, Next we have the appearance options and YITH compares. So compare option is here, and the Koka settings that I wish to show you first. uh, this is the basic setting, however, so only two settings that I can see here. So shop product template and the product archive. So you can choose the template and the product type here, and you can even add new templates here. So it is very easy to use theme throughout, and you just need to upload your content with the images and you'll be fine. So just start uploading the product. Okay, of course you need to install the plugin and the theme all set up, theme and plugin, but yes, it can be used easily. And for editing the content at the front end, you can simply open the page that you want to edit and simply click on edit with Elementor, and the Elementor page builder with all set of data elements will be available for editing, and you can edit the content. What you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image and same length of text content what has been used in the demo. So you might be thinking why you need to watch videos or why you need to explore themes, because you have always your unique need and you have to select most suitable WordPress theme that may suit your project requirements. I am just showing you the options that you can use, and if you need any guidance in choosing theme, plugins, and even in completing your website, you can join us at the iCreate program on the live chat, or even you can start onboarding here. So I connect onboarding option is here. But yes, what you can do, so if you are not sure how you can create a website, ask the iCreate mentors to create a website for you using Koka theme or any selected WordPress theme. You can get website, and there is a very nominal fee for doing all these things. However, you will get complete free support when you are buying the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net. The theme costs $59, and in this $59 you are going to get the quality check by Envato, the future updates for this theme, 6 month support from Buddha Themes, who are the original developer of theme. And in addition to this, we are going to provide you additional support for launching your WordPress website with the iCreate programs. It is all included in a single option. So you just need to spend the $59 for this premium and authentic theme, and you can start creating your website. So I believe I have shown you enough things about the Koka WordPress theme, and you can now choose this theme. Or if you have any question, don't hesitate in asking in the comment section, and don't miss to create a hype for this video using the hype option given in the video and details below. And let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, keep reading. Thank you.